This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
So sometimes when I ask the AI the same questions or same things, what does it give a slightly different answer each time? Can you did you face this problem, or can you explain that in simple terms?
Sure. So it is actually the human behavior, because AI means artificial intelligence. If you ask me the same question, I can answer 10 different ways. Because why AI does it? While AI thinking my question's answer is not good. That's the reason the gentleman asked me again. So AI is giving the second version. And now you give the second version and you said regenerate again. So AI thinking, well, this version is not good also. So now AI is giving you the third version. It is human nature. When I teach someone, based on the audience, I always teach different way. If I speak with a developer, I will speak different way. If I speak with the product owner, I speak different way. AI doesn't know who is sitting behind the keyboard. So AI just giving the answer. So it start becoming the different version each time you're asking. So it only knows the people by regenerating, it only knows the different type of people is behind the scene asking the question. So it is human nature, and human nature is become the AI nature. And it is very general, and it is very generic, and it is very best practice. I like it actually. It helps me.